I didn't have anything else after that. So I'm about to eat some of these Japanese sweet potatoes that are steamed up. Let me show you that right now. What is going on, beautiful vegans? Your boy Alex the vegan, back at it again. Sorry I did not film today. It's actually 6 p.m. right now and I've been at work all day. Yeah, been a very busy day. I've been off for like the last week, so I'm back at work now. It's a lot different. Not the same filming schedule at all, but it's all right. I'm gonna film right now. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I'm gonna be making right now. I actually just have some potatoes that I'm steaming. So for breakfast, I started with, this is gonna be really hard now. I gotta remember everything. I should have wrote it down. But I had started with a banana, and then I had 3 dates, and then I had 2 cuties, which are little clementines, mandarin oranges, whatever you want to call them, little baby oranges. Then I had one of my macro bars that I always have. Morning ritual for me when I'm at work is having those macro bars. It's like my cheat food, and even though it's not even bad. Well, you could debate, but that's if we're going to be level 10 vegan experts with it. But it's all right. After that, I went to the gym. I hit a lot of chest at work. We have a gym at my work, which is super, super legit. I hit a chest workout, and then I came back and ate a good amount, a hefty amount of quinoa chickpeas and half a block of tempeh marinated in chili sauce, peanut butter, and coconut aminos. So that was super delicious. And then I also had some cucumbers to get some greens in there, probably like half a big cucumber like the ones you get from Costco, if you guys know what I'm talking about. And then I had an apple, and that apple was actually right after the workout before the quinoa and tempeh, so it can digest better. You eat the fruits before you eat the big meal. So I had the apple before, then I had the tempeh, and then I didn't have anything else after that. So I'm about to eat some of these Japanese sweet potatoes that are steamed up. Let me show you that right now. Even the water is like purple, but look at these bad boys. Looking delish. No joke, this is like my favorite food. Love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. And I know you're probably like, what? That's all you're gonna eat? You had tempeh chickpeas and quinoa, and now you're gonna have just like sweet potatoes? Yeah. That's what I'm gonna have. And after that, I'm gonna make a protein shake. But it's not only protein in there. It's loads of triple berries, antioxidants, to help with that oxidative stress, you know? Oxidative stress, very simple way to think about it. You put an avocado outside, it turns brown. Why does it turn brown? Because of oxygen. It oxidates. Just like metal oxidates when water touches metal and it rusts. That's also oxidation. Why do we want antioxidants? Yeah, to combat that oxidative stress. Antioxidant, meaning anti-oxidize, right? So we don't want to turn like brown like an avocado from the inside, which is what is happening daily from pollution, from stress, from everything we do, literally is going to be creating free radicals that want to oxidize. But we have antioxidants to neutralize the free radicals. Neutralize. Yeah. That's the word. Got a lot of terms for you guys, right? Because we the vasodilator gang. I'm just kidding, guys. But yeah, I'm going to have a protein shake with a lot of berries and probably some coconut milk, distilled water, a frozen mango, banana, all that good stuff. And then we'll see. I'll probably pack in some other snacks. Always do after work. Gots to. But for right now, I'm going to eat that mono meal, Japanese sweet potatoes. So let me show you that. Yeah, put some coconut aminos on there, just a little bit, not a lot, just a little bit, and that is really, really, really good, guys. If you have Japanese sweet potatoes in your market, anywhere near you, try them. Try them because they are delicious. I keep the skin on because it's healthier. Why not? And I steam them because I guess it's the healthiest way to cook potatoes. So delicious. I usually don't have energy like this after work. I'm sorry for talking with my mouth open. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Oh my god. Okay, I usually don't have this much energy after work, guys, but I am just like feeling pumped to show you what I'm going to be eating, what I'm going to be doing. I'm still trying to keep this up. I'm still going to keep this up even with work, because what's it like when you don't have 7 jobs? Yeah, you guys know what I'm talking about, that Kevin Gates. Scratch that. Oh my gosh. Jeez. It's actually, I got 6 jobs. I don't get tired. You know what I mean? I'm the filmer. I'm filming, all right? I got to edit too. I got to work. I got to make food. All these things, you got to do them, you know? It's just necessary if you want to be healthy, if you want to live this lifestyle. You just got to do what you need to do to get it done. Achieve those goals. You guys can do anything you put your mind to. I promise that, because I've seen it happen full circle for me. When I put my mind to something and I really, really, really focus, and I mean really focus, because you got to really let the universe know you want it. It happens. It works. It works in your favor. The universe will open up doors, even when all the doors are closed in your face, as long as you stay persistent, consistent, and you do not stop, and you are pure and true to yourself. Oh man, oh man, oh man. The presents are just going to be opening up like it's Christmas every single day. Promise you guys. Back to these sweet potatoes, because I don't want them to get too cold. Alright, back again, your boy Alex the Vegan, drinking this smoothie. Let me grab this real quick. So I just showed you guys how I made this. This thing is fire. I'm going to read you the ingredients, everything I put in there, even though I showed it on the screen. I guess I might as well just read it, right? My smoothies haven't had this texture in a while, only because one ingredient, and that ingredient is frozen mango. You got to get that in there. As you can see from the video, I wasn't able to put as much berries in there because I put a good amount of frozen mango. But here's the list of what I put in there. I put frozen mango, 2 bananas, 2 dates, got a scoop of the Sun Warrior protein, a scoop of the new maca I got from Terra Foods, Terrasol, I forgot exactly, but same brand that I got the cacao butter from. And then I put some creatine in there. It's like the very end of it, which is why you guys saw me put 2. It wasn't 2 full scoops. It was like 2 quarter scoops, maybe 2 half scoops. It was not full. I'm scraping. And then I put a little bit of walnuts to help with those fat-soluble vitamins. And other than that, I think that's it. Other than the coconut milk and the water. If I miss something, then geez, I am on one. And by meaning on one, I mean on a couple different fruits from this smoothie. So funny. Yeah, buddy. Cheers. Got a purple smoothie. Got the purple lights back there. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Vibes. And I also added some chia seeds to that smoothie. Forgot to mention that, so I'm adding that in. Some chia seeds. Yeah, chia seeds. Chia.
But y'all don't say that.
Shut up. Wake up my dad and get me grounded.
Just shut up.
Hey, it's your boy ATV, aka Alex the Vegan, back again, but not for a video, it's for an outro. That's unfortunate. But hey guys, I really appreciate you guys watching the video. I appreciate all the subscribers that I've gotten recently. Not a lot, but we are climbing. We're on the uptrend. Let's try to get to 100. I would really, really genuinely appreciate that, my people, my vegan good people. Even if you're not vegan, just watching this channel, maybe soon to become vegan, soon to become plant-based, soon to become vegetarian. I don't know what you're gonna become, but you're gonna probably become the best version of yourself if you keep on trying. Is that a good one? Maybe, maybe not. But hey, I really appreciate you guys watching this. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. It really helps me out. Hit the bell for the notifications. You guys are awesome. Keep rocking, keep living that vegan lifestyle, and let's keep on making some vegan gains. Wait, I'm not vegan gains. Wait, deduce.